Hey everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tick button like that which I just showed you. So now let's create new and just make the size 4000 pixels and 4000 pixels. Make the rotation like this. Okay, now check, and this is supposed to be 1. Okay, done. And let's make a circle. This circle. And drag it to the center. Oh, oopsies. Oh yeah, you should click this white mouse. And then it will drag you to the center. Do not click the other one, but click the white one. Now it's done, and let's make it green color. Which one? This one. And now, we should make the tick in there, the circle. So let's make it like more circle. And let's put the white color. Okay. And now, let's see. I guess we just missed something. Oh, yeah. We should delete the line so there won't be anything like ugly ones. And also the circle. Yeah. Let's drag the small bit here. Oopsies. Just save it. Copy that. Now we'll put this thing more shorter than usual. Wait. Let's copy again. Let's make this thing more shorter. Then let's paste the thing we copied. And let's drag it here. Now it's good to go. Wait. Weird. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Wait. No, I guess something's wrong. Drag this aside. Okay, done. So the tick is done. Now we're just going to make this. Oh yeah. Let's switch to that white color mouse if you want to do anything. And now let's just cut this. Let's make the tick a shape. And let's see. Okay. Let's see where. So yeah. Wait. Okay, this Pathfinder. Let's see. Let's merge that into an image. Then paste the thing we've just copied. And head to layers. Wait. Let me just make it. Okay. Then head to layers. And now let's just put the tick up there. Okay. It's not done yet, so we need to move this tick up here. Okay. Now it's done. Wait, let me see. Oh, that's kind of bad. Nah, too bad. Let me see. Okay, done. So that's how you get it. I hope you subscribe. Wait. Also, we need to save the file like cross, like tick. Okay. Now let's export it. Yeah, just export it to PNG. Okay. Press export. And now you can see it's done. So thanks for watching.